Short grooves. Okay, getting the hi-hat right is so important for the feel of this groove. Here it is by itself slow. The hi-hat plays on 1, the E of 1, the of 1, 2, and the and of 2. The hi-hat notes on 1 and the of 1 are played with the foot, not the hand. That's really important to get the right feel. Also, I play heel down on the hi-hat to make these notes as subtle as possible. So let's count this out. 3. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. And here's how it sounds full speed. Okay, let's add in the kick. It plays on 1, the of 2, and on 3. 2, 3, 4, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E. Notice that the kick on the of 2 is a bit lighter than the note that follows on 3, which is more emphasized. Here's how it sounds with the hi-hat. Alright, let's add in the right hand. It plays the snare on the and of 1 and the E of 2, like this. This groove takes 2 bars to complete, so put a floor tom with the kick on 3 of the first bar and on 4 of the second bar, like this. Finally, let's put the finishing touches on the snare. For the first bar, play a right hand diddle. The first note should be accented, followed by 16th notes on the E and an of 4, like this. For the second bar, I buzz my right hand on the and of 4. It's a bit different than what Steve Gadd does in the YouTube video where he shows off this groove, but it's what I hear happening on the record, so that's what I do. So yeah, the legendary Steve Gadd created this groove, and he's the one playing on the Paul Simon track. I definitely recommend you check out the YouTube video of him going over the groove. There's so much going on in this groove that it will frustrate you to no end if you haven't built up any hand or foot technique, and I can help you with that. For the hi-hat, especially playing the hi-hat notes with your foot while still flowing through the groove, check out the hi-hat pedal techniques module of my Better Feet course. For the snare fills, which include doubles and buzzes, check out the double stroke roll module and the buzz rolls module of my Better Hands course. If you don't know any rudiments at all, I recommend you start at the beginning of the course and work your way through. And I know you just want to play the groove and sound good now, but there's no shortcut. Practice up, get your feet and hands in a good spot, and then you'll be able to play this groove without getting frustrated.